Ethereum is now breaking out into a new all-time high, touching prices just $60 away from 2K. Recently, we saw Bitcoin break out into new highs while Ethereum wasn't doing all too much, but today we are seeing a continuation into new all-time highs in price discovery. And it's quite possible that by the time you're watching this video, we may be sitting at $2,000. And we also have some huge news for Ethereum that we're going to discuss in today's video. So let's just get right into it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about the price of Ethereum and discussing some price targets that I have and my expectations for Ethereum in this bull market. Before we get started, smash up that like button and subscribe to this channel if you're new. Be sure to have that bell notification selected as well. Across the crypto market today, most things are a little bit flat, kind of just following Bitcoin sideways, with a few coins seeing some upside. And one of those coins is none other than Ethereum. We're up over 6% already today. Now, before we dive into the charts and discuss some price targets for Ethereum, I want to mention this news. Nvidia announces new chips designed for Ethereum mining as the cryptocurrency hits record highs. And this news came out just today. And the key points of this breaking news is that Nvidia announced on Thursday that it will release a new series of semiconductors specifically for mining Ether, the cryptocurrency. And it's a new type of chip, and it's called CMP, or Cryptocurrency Mining Processor. The Nvidia CEO said, "Cryptocurrency and blockchain is here to stay. The market need for it is going to grow, and over time it will become quite large." Now, something to keep in mind is that this new chip is not really anything special. It's more of a marketing ploy for people to buy the new processor. Of course, it is effective for Ethereum mining, but it's not as epic as it sounds. Just want to make that clear. But either way, this is great. Now, this is awesome because we are seeing that some of the top companies in the world are now recognizing Ethereum, and they're actually spending money on producing products to support the cryptocurrency ecosystem. And on this list of the top US companies, Nvidia is number 15. Nvidia's market cap right now is $362 billion. And this is really exciting because the crypto market cap is 1.6 trillion. Bitcoin's market cap is just heading up to 1 trillion, getting pretty close. And Ethereum's market cap is only 221 billion. And there are many major institutions that are far bigger than Ethereum's market cap that are looking to get involved. And this just tells us that we have so much more growth to come. There's so much more upside to come. And that is really exciting. And as my long-term viewers know, on this channel, we are heavily focused on understanding the behavior of the market from a macro perspective. And that has been my specialty over the past many years on this channel, is accurately predicting long-term moves. So definitely pay attention to the analysis. So now we can see that Ethereum is breaking into new all-time highs, trading above 1900. It touched prices $60 away from 2,000. And I have no doubts that Ethereum is going to be going well above $2,000 in this bull market. Now, when an asset is going into price discovery, of course, it's always hard to tell exactly what's going to happen. How is this going to play out? Nobody really knows for sure. One thing that we can do that a lot of other market participants are going to do, which makes it relevant, is they're going to use their fib extensions. And if you take your fib extension tool and you go from the bull market peak of 2017 to the bear market low here of 2018, we can see that Ethereum is, of course, breaking above the all-time high and is now heading for the first major fib extension target, which is at the 1618 at 2,263 US dollars. I would say about 2,250 US dollars is the next major upside target. And you guys know on this channel, we are long-term focused, and the 1618 is that first major target that we've been waiting for the past few weeks, and it is coming up on us now. Above that, if we hit the 1618 at 2,250, at that $2,000 range, we'll probably see some kind of resistance of some kind. But ultimately, the target that I'm looking for right now is the 2618 at 3,600. 3,600, maybe 4K, is the area of interest that I have for the next few months. And this is the price target that I think that Ethereum is going to be finding a local top at. And I think after hitting 3,600, 4,000, we will likely see a short-term pullback for the price, maybe pulling back to the 2K range before consolidating and then looking to push up for our 5-digit price target of potentially 10,000. And this might seem extremely speculative and random, but it's not as random as you think. This goes right along with my Bitcoin price prediction. And as you guys know, if you're a viewer of this channel, you guys know I think Bitcoin is looking to punch up, or the price is sitting right here on the chart, if you can see that. I think we're looking to punch up towards 70K potentially before seeing a major correction back to 42 to 50K and then entering the final mania phase running up towards 250,000. So I'm looking for a large-scale parabolic structure to come in for the price of Bitcoin. Something like this, I think, is what's possible. And if you just consider that type of price action where we would run up to 70K, pull back before running up again, then it makes more sense as to why I'm expecting this for Ethereum. I think we could punch up towards 3,600, 4K before a massive correction. A lot of people are going to get burned by FOMOing in at these higher prices, 3, 4K. But if they just hold, they'll probably make a lot of money towards the end of the bull market when Bitcoin, or if Bitcoin makes its final run into that 6-digit range. Ethereum could potentially be looking to punch up towards that 5-digit target. So yeah, I think it's totally possible that even if we do hit 3,600 4K, we could come back, near current levels before actually getting that major push to 10K. And this is where crypto gets its dangerous reputation from, this kind of volatility. And you guys know I've talked about this many times before. I've discussed this price prediction a few times before already. And of course, a lot of people are going to say, Kev, how high are we going to go in this bull market? Well, I would say, as an extremely conservative estimate, at least 5,000. At the very least, we'd hit 5,000 in this bull market, at the very least. I'm actually looking for potentially as high as 10 to 20,000 in this bull market. That's actually what I'm looking for. 10 to 20K is my upside target for Ethereum towards the end of the bull market. What I think is going to be the summer, the end of the bull market will likely come in around summer. That's the trajectory that we're on right now. A lot of people think it's going to take till the end of the year to hit our high. I'm skeptical of that. I think it'll be around summer, and around summertime is when I think Ethereum is going to be hitting its upper targets of potentially 10,000, 20,000. Remember, guys, it's unlikely that Ethereum is just going to go up in a straight line, right? Very unlikely. We're going to see some massive swings, right? We're going to see the price run up 3, 4K, dumped down. People are going to think it's over, right? The noobs. And then whales are going to be reaccumulating at lower prices before punching the price up once again. So definitely be ready for some crazy action in the coming months. But this is exactly what I expect for Ethereum. And another interesting thing that I posted on Twitter yesterday about Bitcoin's chart is I said I'm not particularly a huge fan of fractals, but sometimes they're just staring you right in the face. And human behavior does tend to repeat itself. Prepare for the next leg up. We see these two charts here from this year, 2021, and early 2017. And if you're looking at the 2017 chart, we're sitting in this pattern, very similar structure before Bitcoin had that major run of 1 to 2 weeks to the upside. And we're sitting there for Bitcoin right now. And the crypto market has never had more attention than it does right now. So I have no doubts that Bitcoin is going to be seeing major upside from here. I think we could actually be punching up for the next couple weeks for Bitcoin and landing at a potential target of 70K by the end of the next run, before then consolidating, pulling back, and then running up again going into the summer. So even though I think we're going to be going to 70K, we may not actually punch above 100K for Bitcoin until like the spring or early summer. Probably spring or something like that is when we're actually going to punch above 100K. And in the meantime, we'll probably see a lot of volatility along the way. So as I say, just hold steady, guys. Hold steady. You're going to make the gains if you can stomach the moves and you just hold steady and understand the long-term vision here for the market. And we're getting to the point where it's like a mania phase. It's the bubble phase where everything is going up, right? There's so much money coming in that everything's going up. And that's why I have been investing in altcoins. And if you guys want to see my altcoin portfolio, you can join Patreon. Remember, this is a limited time offer. Prices will be going up next month, right? So you want to lock in your spot now. If you've been thinking about joining Patreon, it's the best thing to do would be to join now or in the next 10, 15 days or whatever. So definitely lock in your spot as soon as possible before prices go up. At some point, I'm going to be closing off the Patreon as well once we have too many people in there. So take this opportunity while you can. And I'll see you guys in the next video.